If you're getting a lot of notifications from Camscanner app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable Camscanner app notifications. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, go to your app and access its app info page. You can do this either through settings, or the shortcut method is just to long press on your app and you should see app info here. If app info is missing, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Camscanner app info page. At this point, go to permission section and under it you should see notifications. If you tap on this, all these notifications are on and that's why you have been receiving all those alerts. Now to disable them, just toggle off this show notifications, and by doing so, the other notifications will be disabled. From now henceforth, you'll never receive pop-up notifications or alerts from Camscanner. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.